Hi guys, today we are making smoky mashed eggplant known as a bharta. For the eggplant bharta, we need 1 eggplant, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, some cilantro, 1 medium green chili. We have 3 chopped tomato, 2 chopped onion. For this chopped tomato, I'm using this kind of tomatoes. Now I'm going to start. I have to put some oil like that on the eggplant. I'm going to roast my eggplant on the flat pan and put the heat on the high. I think so it takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to roast because I have to change when it's one side is roast, then I'm going to change next side. I show you. It has been 4 minutes. I'm going to flip this one on the another side. See, this is getting roast. Every 5 minutes you have to flip all 4 sides. This takes almost 20 to 22 minutes to get roast the eggplant. Sometimes when you roasted the eggplant, the water is released from the eggplant like that, see, but it's not a problem. I'm going to check if some side is not ready yet, so I have to flip little bit like that, and then it's ready from all the sides, crispy black like that. Then it means it is done from here. My eggplant is not done from the end. I'm going to do like that for 2 minutes again, then this can be done from the bottom also. You can see my eggplant is roasted now, so I'm just taking out from the pan, put on another plate, let it cool down. While this is cooling down my eggplant, so I have to prepare the tadka. So I have to put on a high heat this wok, and then I have to put the mustard oil 2 spoon. I have to wait for the oil get heat up. My oil is heat up now. I have to put the onion. I have to stir my onion after every 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to add salt and then mix up. Now it is almost 7 minutes, so my onion is brown. I have to add chili, cumin powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Mix up well. I'm going to add my tomato. I'm going to add chili. And I'm going to add some cilantro. I'm going to add 1 spoon of water. Cover this one and just put the heat on the medium. At least it takes like 5 more minutes. While this is cooking, I have to do my eggplant. I have to cut the top of the eggplant, this one, and then I have to cut in the middle. The skin is coming out. You can do with the hand like that. Sometimes somewhere like skin is not come out, so you can take out with the knife like that. I have to cut this like pieces like that. I'm going to mash with the masher. You know, this water you cannot take out because this is the actually smoky taste in this water. Eggplant is already roast and you can see it's soft. To check in the middle, I have to put the pan on the another side, and I put a little bit oil, like at least 1 spoon oil. Then I'm going to add this eggplant here. You have to saute like at least 5 minutes. Mash also with that. If something is not mashed, you can mash like that. See, whatever is like it's not done, so then you saute, then it's done. This has been 10 minutes, so this is ready. Now I'm going to add this eggplant in this one. Now you have to stir it again and keep it for at least 2 or 3 minutes to mix up with the masala. And you have to put the heat on high, maybe 5-6 minutes. Let it dry the water. Very important to stir it because it's not stick on the pan, and because I have little bit water inside with the tomato and eggplant, so we have to just dry this water. It's almost 7 minutes, but you have to check like if water, sometime the eggplant leave the too much, release too much water, and you have to check like when it get dry, then you have to take out. It's not means like 6-7 minutes or 10 minutes, but dry the water properly, then it tastes better. You can garnish with the cilantro like that little bit. If you like more, you can put more, otherwise that's maybe enough.